Hello everybody, Jonathan Rayo here, and in this lesson I want to teach you the song Raise a Hallelujah by Bethel Music. So I'll play through the whole song for you now, and make sure to stick around afterwards because I'm going to break it down and explain it to you in more detail. So let's go ahead and get started.
Of my enemies, I'll raise a hallelujah louder than the unbelief. I'll raise a hallelujah. My weapon is a melody. I'll raise a hallelujah. Heaven comes to fight for me. I'm gonna sing in the middle of the storm, louder and louder. You're gonna hear my praises roar up from the ashes. Death is defeated, the King is alive. I'll raise a hallelujah with everything inside of me. I'll raise a hallelujah. I will watch the darkness flee. I'll raise a hallelujah in the middle of the mystery. I'll raise a hallelujah. Fear you lost your hold of me, and I'm gonna sing in the middle of the storm, louder and louder. You're gonna hear my praises roar up from the ashes. Hope will arise. Death is defeated, the King is alive. Sing a little louder in the presence of my enemies. Sing a little louder, louder than the unbelief. Sing a little louder. My weapon is a melody. Sing a little louder. Heaven comes to fight for me. Sing a little louder in the presence of my enemies. Sing a little louder, louder than the unbelief. Sing a little louder. My weapon is a melody. Sing a little louder. I'm gonna sing in the middle of the storm, louder and louder. You're gonna hear my praises roar up from the ashes. Hope will arise. Death is defeated, the King is alive.
Alright, as far as chords go for this song, it's nice and easy. We're going to be in the C chord family, and so we got a C chord, and then we have an F chord. Now, I like to use the F over C variation because it sounds very nice, and it's a lot easier to play in the C chord family than the traditional F bar chord. So what I'm going to do for the F is I'm just going to put my pinky down on the third fret of the D string, and then I'm going to take my second finger and drop it down a string to the second fret of the G string, and that is my F over C. So it's a very easy transition from C, and there's no barring that has to happen at all. And then we have an A minor 7, which is only 2 fingers. In fact, if we take a look at that C, all we have to do is take our third finger off, and that's our A minor 7. So again, another nice, easy chord to play. And then last of all is the G chord. Again, if we go from the C to the G, it's a very similar shape. We're just going to take our second and third finger and move them each up 1 string. And then we're going to put our pinky down on the 3rd fret of the high E string. We can remove our first finger, and that's our G. So for all 4 of these chords, the shape of your hand is going to be in a very similar position, so that helps make the transitions a lot easier. All right, for the strum pattern for this song, we're going to be using an 8-beat pattern, meaning that we're going to be strumming 8 times before the pattern repeats, okay? So we're going to have 8 down strums, and then we're going to have an up strum after beat 8, and then it repeats, okay? So very basically, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and. Now, as always, we want to add dynamics to a strum pattern to help break it up and to help make it more interesting and not so monotonous. So what we're going to do for this one is we're going to add emphasis on beats 1, 4, and 7. So we're going to strum harder on beats 1, 4, and 7, and softer for every other beat, okay? And to strum softer, not only can you strum softer in general, but you can also hit less strings. You don't have to strum all the strings. So you can get away with strumming maybe 2 or 3 strings for the softer beats to make them even softer. So if I just hold the C chord and play through that strum pattern, it would sound like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1. All right, I hope you enjoyed this lesson. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel so that you can be notified when I come out with new lessons. And hopefully I'll see you in the next one. Take care.